Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to exit out of different apps on PICO for Ultra. To exit out of apps, some apps are opened in window mode and some are in full screen. For example, the file manager will be in windowed mode, but when I play a video from it, then it will get me to the full screen video view mode. And to close the video mode, which is in full screen, I can either click on exit, but if an app doesn't have exit, then I can click on the circle button on the controller, and I'm back and I see the home dock, and I can click on quit. And to close an app like this, you have these three dots here and this bar. This bar is for moving the window. This is for full screening it. In this case, it will just remove other windows. This is for minimizing, and this is for closing windows. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.